There he is. Just gonna be choked. Imagine I had this 10 years ago.
I would have been very happy.
He wanted to like skip school and stuff, so I was like, oh, f it, you don't go to school anymore. You come to Inwood, because I bought this old tractor dealership and turned it into a house. And I mean, this place was completely dicked. I mean, if we didn't get it when we did, it would have been bulldozed and freaking like it was bad, like really bad. And we need a water line there, of course, and there's a guy right up the road excavating this and that and blah, 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 but I don't know, he had a problem with me or something, so friggin' wouldn't dig my hole, so.
So I had to dig it by hand.
Yeah. And we got that one like 6 feet deep, and it was full of water. Every morning we go there, we'd have to pump it out of water, because it took like 3 weeks to dig. Like,
yeah, oh yeah, by hand I couldn't imagine.
it was at least 60 feet.
Yeah, that's.
Oh yeah. You went to school big time after that.
Didn't I get an attendance thing?
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, I didn't
No
like
more
that.
skipping school.
Yeah.
I learned my lesson the hard way.
Remember when Buddy dug our hole too, and the pile was right up to the hole, so it's like he couldn't get any more dirt out of it. Like I was in the bathroom window and it was pouring rain, and he's like trying to lift this clay ball out with the shovel, but the shovel kept like spinning in his hands. So he like reaches down, grabs the whole end of the shovel and everything, and just like man, I was just dying,
The only
just
way
dying.
I could think of like getting it out was like grabbing the like bottom of the shovel. And like I was so tired. I'd been digging for like weeks straight, every day, all day.
Oh, that was the best time of my
First
life.
little bit of it was frozen, so I was just chipping at a frozen pile of dirt.
Yeah. Oh, that was great.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, there's no school today.
Yeah.
You're like, why? I don't know. I sound like a fucking seal.
Yeah, he used to sound like a complete goof. Oh, shit. Poor Jim. Oh, yeah. Much obliged.
Smoke cigarettes.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, thank you for all the help.
Yeah, have a good day. Oh, that was good times. Just look on to him. He's a real boy now. Not sure it was a big help though, because holy shit, I would have had to be in the hole digging. Hey? No good. No good. I'm a block from home, and they've got her fucking decked. Son of a bitch. I think Tiffany said the hydro was out too, big time, so that's cool. Good f***ing Lord. Big crash, I think. Well, this tisn't good. Big crash up the road 10 o'clock this morning. Now it's 10 o'clock at night. Still no power. Hopefully the generator will start up, else I'm gonna have to drag over the fucking light tower. Son of a bitch. Well, it's morning time. Got another trapter job here. But we had no power last night. 14 hours from 10 in the morning till midnight. So, very bad crash up the road. Very bad, big time. accident was last night. There's a transport truck, Camp Olympus, in this ditch, took out that telephone pole right there, so that's why we didn't have power. But yeah, it sounds like a SUV was coming towards us and ran the stop sign, and a transport truck was coming this way, and I think the SUV ended up like over here or something. Yeah, not good. That must have been a good shot. GoPro. Found a good gig, boys. This guy's got lots of work. I love being a trappersman. Hey? I really do. Oh yeah, look at this guy playing trapper. See a fox. Hey? Friggin' rights. Are they in there taking sniffs? Get right in there. Oh,
They're so happy, hon. They just have had so much
Donnie
fun
posing.
because they're just play acting.
They know what it's all about. Okay, good.
Well,
Right on.
guys, you're so happy to have so much fun, eh?
Yeah.
These are really good boys,
I didn't
you know.
expect a full tour. I expected a hi. I can't thank you enough.
Yeah, that's nice for you to say.
Should have came last week. They would have been full right to the brim.
Missed opportunity.
Yeah.
Next time.